Hey guys, AJ Catanzaro here from the Moto Academy, and I want to talk about the knee pads I get from MotoSport.com, which are the TP199 EVS pad. Now let me tell you a quick story. I used to wear EVS knee braces, and I wore them for my entire career, but I always really had bad arm pump, and I just felt like I couldn't feel the bike with my knees, and I could never locate where my knees were on the bike. Not to mention they were slightly uncomfortable, and they dug holes into the inside of my knee. So I went to Travis Pastrana's house to ride pit bikes, of course, because what else do you do at Travis Pastrana's house? And first of all, he made fun of me that I was in full gear. And then second of all, he said, AJ, at the very least, wear these knee pads and try these. That was in 2020, and I've never worn anything since, never will. These are the most comfortable thing I've ever put on my knee, and I guarantee that you'll think the same. These are small mediums. I'm 5'11", 157 pounds. These fit me perfect. I do find that people end up stuck in between sizes sometimes. So figure out what size you are. They also have a light version that doesn't have the shin guard piece. I actually cut my shin guard piece out because it's in my boot anyway. So the light version is the same pad without the shin guard, which is fine with most boots. If you wear Tech 10s, if you wear Fox Instincts, that's gonna be in the boot anyways. It's like a gel impact, so when you hit it, I believe it hardens up. Could be making that up, but I'm pretty sure that's true. Really comfortable Velcro. You're not supposed to probably put these in the washer and dryer. I do, and they last forever. This set, I've had this set for 2 years, and I've worn them straight for 2 years, and they've been lasting amazing. I wear the sock sleeve combination, the Fusion sock underneath, and I am off to the races. Go to MotoSport.com, give these bad boys a try, and thank me later.